This is table number 8. Today we are going to discuss about musculocutaneous nerve. The musculocutaneous nerve is the main nerve in the front of the arm and continues below the elbow as the lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm. It is a branch of lateral cord of the brachial plexus arising at the lower border of pectoralis minor in the axilla. The root value of the musculocutaneous nerve is C5, C6 and C7 segment of the spinal cord. The origin, course and termination. Musculocutaneous nerve arises from the lateral cord of the brachial plexus and continues in the lower part of the axilla and accompanied by the third part of axillary artery and then enters the front of the arm where it pierces the coracobrachialis muscle, and musculocutaneous nerve runs downwards laterally between the bicep brachii and the brachialis muscle to reach the lateral side of tendon of bicep brachii. Relation. The pectoralis major muscle is present anterior to the musculocutaneous nerve. Subscapularis muscle is present posterior to the musculocutaneous nerve. The medially axillary artery and lateral root of median nerve is present. Laterally coracobrachialis muscle is present. In the arm, it runs downwards and laterally between the biceps brachii and brachialis. It reaches the lateral side of the tendon of biceps. Branches and distribution. The muscular branches. It has the following muscles in the front of the arm, that is coracobrachialis, bicep brachii and the brachialis muscle. Cutaneous branches. Through the lateral cutaneous nerve of forearm, it supplies the skin on the lateral side of the forearm from the elbow to the wrist, including the ball of the humerus. Articular branches. It supplies to the elbow joint as well as shoulder joint through a separate branch. Communicating branches. The musculocutaneous nerve communicates to the lateral cutaneous nerve, namely to the superficial branches of radial nerve, the posterior cutaneous nerve of forearm and the palmar cutaneous branch of median nerve.